In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Trello subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few smart checks to make sure you're upgrading the right workspace without any surprises. First, open your browser and head to Trello.com, then sign into your account. If you use multiple workspaces, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the workspace you actually want to upgrade. Trello subscriptions apply at the workspace level, so choosing the correct one here is important. Once you're signed in, look to the left side of the screen. That's your main navigation. Within that sidebar, find your workspace section. If you don't see it immediately, expand the menu so you can view all options. Under your chosen workspace, click Billing. If billing isn't visible, you may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, you'll need a workspace admin to complete the upgrade or grant you access. After the billing page opens, select Compare Plans. This is where you can review the features across tiers and make a confident choice. Trello typically offers free, standard, premium, and sometimes enterprise options, each unlocking different levels of automation, views, and admin controls. The comparison page will spell out key differences, so scan for the features that matter most to your team. Things like unlimited boards, advanced checklists, timeline or calendar views, and security and permission settings. If you're managing a growing team, it's worth glancing at the seat count and the pricing toggle for monthly versus annual billing so you understand the cost structure before you proceed. For this walkthrough, we'll choose the standard plan. Selecting standard gives you more room to organize work and collaborate without jumping all the way to the most advanced tier. Make sure the correct workspace name appears at the top of the page and double check the number of members you'll be paying for. This helps avoid paying for seats you don't need. When you're ready, click Upgrade Now. Trello may prompt you to confirm your billing details or payment method. Review everything carefully, then continue. After the upgrade completes, you should see your new plan reflected on the billing page, and the upgraded features will be available in your workspace. That's it. You signed in, opened billing from the left sidebar, compared plans, selected standard, and clicked Upgrade Now. If anything looks different on your screen, it might be due to a recent interface update, but the general flow remains the same. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Trello workspace.